In this tutorial, we're going to be configuring internal routing with OSPF in our network. We will be using OSPF to allow reachability between our infrastructure IP addresses, which BGP will be using when we do the internal BGP configuration. In this lesson, we will focus on the TIC1 config. You will, however, replicate the same steps for TIC2. In this simple network, we only have two routers which will be acting as the core, distribution and access layer. In real life, you'd want to separate out these layers. Let's get started. On TIC1, open up the OSPF dialog box by clicking on Routing and then going to OSPF. First, we click on the existing All interface under the Interface tab. Select the interface going to TIC2. In this case, it is Ether 3. You can keep all other values the same as this is a simple configuration. Next, under the Instances tab, double-click the default instance. You can give it a name if you like, but here we will just keep it as default. Under Router ID, change it to something unique. I will go ahead and change TIC1 to 1.1.1.1 and TIC2 will be 2.2.2.2. These must be unique IDs across the network, otherwise you will have problems. Next, go to the Network tab and click the plus sign so we can add the network that connects TIC1 and TIC2. Once that is completed, the OSPF adjacency will begin to form. To see if the adjacency is up, click on the Neighbors tab. Since we will be configuring IP in the next session, let's go ahead and create loop back addresses and inject them into OSPF. To create the loop back addresses, click on Bridge in the left nav menu. Click the plus sign, set the name to be loopback1 and hit OK. Next, go to IP address list and create a new address of 172.16.10.253/32. On TIC2, make this 172.16.10.254/32. Once done, go back into the OSPF settings and enter in the new loopback address under the Network tab. To verify OSPF is injecting the new loopback, look at the routing table on each device by going to IP then Routes or by looking at the Routes tab under OSPF. That concludes this lesson for now. I'll see you in the next one.